wanted to update you on my little plant journey here. These are some of my newly sprouted tomato and pepper plants. They're kind of all mixed up. I was trying to keep them separated and didn't work out that way, but that's okay. We'll figure out what's what when they start growing more, obviously. And then these are all the ones that have made it to the next stage. I mean, these two technically are at the same stage as those guys, but they were a little bigger. Like, honestly, that one is probably ready to be transferred because it's bigger, but they say to wait till you have like 3 or more, like that little guy. But I'll just wait because honestly, we got so much here already. I don't even know if I'm gonna have enough room pot-wise. But yeah, these ones will keep growing. Look, that one is probably the furthest along. And we got this one over here, but it's got kind of an odd little shape there. But this one looks like the most on track, I guess you could say, out of all of them. And then these are ones that randomly sprouted while I was on vacation. And they got all lanky and long because they didn't have sunlight because they were inside, and I didn't even water them. I had like that little greenhouse clear thing on it, but I didn't even think they were gonna grow. I kind of just gave up on them. And then out of nowhere they decided to all sprout, which I'm kind of bummed about because I wasn't expecting them to grow, and here they are growing. So I don't know, but they like grew all weird, like they almost look like onions, you know? So I don't know if they'll actually do anything. They kind of look like they're dead, so that may be the end of those. Here's my basil that's starting to make a comeback. My squirrels ate all the leaves originally. See, something ate a little bit more there. But it's starting to make a little bit of a comeback. Here's a new one that I just bought. It's bigger than when I bought it, but it pretty much looked like this when I bought it, which is obviously why I got it, because doesn't that look amazing? And it smells so fresh. Yeah, it smells so good. I wish smell could come through the camera. This is just a cool plant thing that my grandma got me. And I forget what it's called, but it's gonna grow shoots really high, and then flowers will bloom off of those. These are two of those kind of lanky things that I thought might grow, but I really don't think they will. I got 2 other ones here that look like they might do something. They look more promising than those guys. And then we got my beloved tomato plant. Now this one I did not grow from seedling, but it was a lot smaller than this when I bought it. This was about the size of that with less leaves when I bought it. Okay, so I mean, it went from that to this so quick. Now, some of these leaves have gotten this stuff on it. I'm not exactly sure what to do about that. But yeah, it's so cool. It's gonna turn into a big tomato plant, I'm hoping. It looks very well rooted. Like, the root system looks really, really good. I do need to be watering it more often, but that's pretty much the look right there. And these are bamboo shoots that my grandma has bamboo growing in her yard, and I took them, I dried them out, I have a bunch more over there. So I put them in here so that if the plant were to lean to one side, I could tie it up next to one of these. So yeah, guys, I am just so excited to share all this with you. I have always wanted to grow my own vegetables and spices and, you know, just these kind of things. Eventually I want to do flowers too. I actually was going to start with flowers thinking that would be the easiest thing. And y'all, those completely just, it was a big fail, okay? But I'm so excited for what I have been able to grow so far. If you want to get updates on my plant journey, just keep a lookout for further videos, and I hope to talk to you guys soon. Have a great week. Bye.